Okay, after you have cut out all of the shapes from your big piece of paper, you're going to get a glue stick from your container. I want you to remember that the cap stays in the box. That way it doesn't get lost. Take your glue stick, put glue around the edges of the back of this paper, and a little snake in the middle. That's about all you need. Now, since your cap was in the box, you know exactly where it is. Clicked. Put it back. Then you're going to glue your piece of cardboard to your piece of paper. Push it down nice and good there. Now the big triangle goes on the bottom, then the smaller, thinner triangle, and then the diamond shape on top. So the first thing I'm going to poke a hole in with my brad is the diamond shape here. Be careful not to poke your fingers, and if you want to, you can put the brad down on the ground or on the table there. Put it in that way. Whichever you're more comfortable with. Okay, so we have the diamond on top, the skinny triangle, and then the big fat triangle. Last thing you do is you poke your hole in the cardboard. Push down your brad, and now you have your very own color wheel that will tell you what is split complementary colors, what is triads, and what are complementary colors. So as we know, green and red are complementary colors. Violet and yellow, complementary. The split complementary for violet is yellow-green and yellow-orange. And then the three triads, for example, the three primaries or the three secondaries. Those are a triad. Okay? That's all you have to do.